Natural Disaster Weekly. This week we will be learning about earthquakes.
Earthquakes are very common natural disasters. In fact, they are so common that about 500,000 occur each year.
Wow, that's a lot. Now let's take some questions from our viewers.
All right, Max in Massachusetts wants to know how earthquakes form.
Earthquakes form when two plates run into each other. Earthquakes only occur along plate breaks and convergent boundaries.
That's right. There are 7 major plate breaks, and over a dozen minor plate breaks.
Alyssa in Idaho wants to know what types of equipment and devices do you use to monitor and predict earthquakes?
Well, Alyssa, that's a very good question. You see, scientists who study earthquakes are called seismologists. Seismologists are used to track the vibration of earthquakes.
Also, scientists can monitor earthquakes by using an accelerometer, which measures vibration. For predicting earthquakes, there are a bunch of stations all over America. The stations have satellites that send pulses to Earth's surface, and they come back as an echo. When they come back, they create a terrain map.
Don't forget, the earthquakes are measured by a Richter scale, and nowadays, almost everything is computerized.
Now let's check up on one of Japan's biggest disasters. Christin?
Thanks, Allison. Now you've probably heard of all the earthquake that struck Japan March 11, 2011. The earthquake was an 8.9, which caused severe damage. The earthquake triggered the tsunami. Then later that month, a nuclear spill. Thousands of people died and were seriously injured or missing. Today, about 10 months later, they are trying to rebuild schools and building roads.
Wow! Any report or how the citizens are taking it?
Well, even though some have faith and are happy to return home to a partially rebuilt community, 160,000 people are still missing and others are fearful to return.
Well, Japan will definitely be in our prayers in their rebuilding stage. And here's a photo of Japan, of some of the roads that they have rebuilt in Japan. We hope that you understand and have learned more about earthquakes. Thanks for watching. Bye!